Good morning, class. I am so glad that each of you just came in and started to work immediately on your part of the classroom newspaper. It was so exciting to see all of you coming up with your ideas and forming them from just thoughts into complete sentences. So as you know, today we will have our first draft due. And so what does that mean exactly? What are we going to be looking for? How are we even going to collaborate all together? So collaboration is definitely on your part, but I'm going to be giving you classroom time today, tomorrow, and on a Thursday to complete that. But your first draft means basically taking those first few thoughts and ideas and putting them into sentence form. So whether you chose to write about the newest invention, or maybe you wrote about a housewife's new garden idea, or maybe you're writing about how the war is going on right now, just stick with that thought and continue to do the wonderful job that you are. So today, to get started in class, we're going to jump right to our reader's notebook. So I want you guys to go ahead and pull that out, and I want you to go to last Tuesday's writing reflection. We had read chapters 1 through 9, and we were talking about who our favorite character was and why. So this Tuesday, we're going to expand on that idea. I want you guys to think creatively on how you write your sentences. And the main question I want you to focus on today is the character development. So what is character development? Can anyone tell me? Yeah, that's right. Character development is how your character is changing and how they're growing. So I want you to think about how your character has changed from chapters 1 through 9, and now it is different and growing now that we're in chapters 10 through 18. And I want you to write down something that you're excited about, or your favorite part of why your character has changed, or even your least favorite part and why you see that. And I want you to maybe even write down a page number that you see that, a specific example, a quote for that. After you write down, you can either work with your groups or work on your part of the project for your class newspaper before we move on to math. So does anyone have any questions about that? Awesome. So while you're writing down about your character, make sure to include specific details. Make sure that you're sounding out words, you're coming to me, you're coming to the dictionary, even asking Siri that you're making sure that you're spelling your words correctly and that you're not misspelling them. But if you have any questions about that, go ahead and ask me. But right now, let's go ahead and pull out our reader's notebooks.